Why is my blood type important? Importance of blood type. Everyone's blood contains the same basic stuff, but mixed in with that stuff are antigens. These special proteins act like an ID tag for a person's blood, letting his or her body know the blood is the person's own and not a foreign invader. Antigen combinations make different blood types 8 in all, which are passed along from parent to child, just like eye color and any other genetic traits. If you get in an accident and lose a lot of blood, you'll have to go to the hospital to get a transfusion of someone else's red stuff. Transfusions are simple procedures and the most common type of hospital procedure, but they always start with the doctor determining the patient's blood type. If you get a transfusion of the wrong type, your immune system will think it's an infection and go on the attack. Now, we'll be discussing about the reasons of different organs, like why do I have a heart? Your body's engine, the heart, pumps blood to every cell in your body. Then, why do I have lungs? Each breath you inhale fills these balloon-like organs with oxygen, which is absorbed into your blood. Each exhalation expels carbon dioxide waste from your blood. Now, why do I have a stomach and blood? So, a stomach, this expandable organ, stores everything you eat and starts breaking down food with powerful acids. Now, why do I have blood? A mix of special cells and liquid plasma. Blood delivers all the good stuff, including oxygen, vitamins, minerals, and chemicals called hormones to the cells in your body and carries away all the bad stuff for disposal. Red blood cells transport oxygen while white blood cells fight infection. Special cells called platelets seal the leak when blood vessels break, a process called clotting. An oxygen-carrying protein called hemoglobin is what gives blood its red color. Now, why do I have my skin and intestines? So, skin holds your insides in and protects your tissues from ultraviolet radiation from the outside. It's the largest organ. It is made of layers of cells that march through the surface and flake off from friction. The outermost layer of skin is surprisingly completely dead. Now, for the intestines. The bulk of food digestion that takes place in your small and large intestines, that are the two tubes that absorb all the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients from everything you eat. The next one is quite interesting. Tonsils and the liver. So, why do I have tonsils? These two meatball-shaped masses of tissue at the back of your throat are a part of your lymph system, which includes a network of nodes that work like little security guards to battle infection. Now, a liver. Why is it needed? Your body's biggest internal organ, the liver, is like a complex chemical processing plant. It converts nutrients from the small intestine into fuel your body can use. It makes bile, an essential substance for digestion. It also cleans your blood of toxins and removes all the damaged RBCs. Now, why do I have an appendix and kidneys? You might have heard people having appendix bursts. Let's see that what is an appendix exactly. This skinny tube in our digestive system is mostly useless today and can actually endanger your life if it becomes inflamed. Scientists suspect that the appendix, which replenishes essential bacteria in our guts, was an important organ back before germ-fighting medicines helped humans overcome constant bouts of diarrhea. Now, why do we need the kidneys? This bean-shaped organ is so essential to good health that your body comes with a second one for free. Each kidney is crammed with more than 1 million microscopic filters called nephrons that skim the waste chemicals and other gunk from your blood. A pancreas and a spleen. Now, why do we need pancreas? This organ injects special protein substances called enzymes into your small intestine to break down carbohydrates for fats and energy, and proteins for bodybuilding materials. The pancreas also creates a crucial hormone called insulin, which regulates the levels of sugar in your bloodstream. A spleen. Now, this is a very fragile organ, first of all. So, it's a fist-shaped sac in your body's infection fighter, filtering bacteria, viruses, and other nasty invaders from your blood. Last but not least, a skeleton. Now, if you remove all your bones along with the joints and muscles pinned to them, and you'd end up a shapeless, motionless bag of blood and organs. Your skull and spinal vertebrae made of tough deposits of calcium and other minerals are like armor for your brain and nervous system. Special bone marrow in your vertebrae and elsewhere is your body's blood factory. Your muscles and joints, meanwhile, set your human machine in motion. Now we'll learn a few facts about bodybuilding. The number of bones in the body of a baby are 350 approximately, and the number of bones in an adult is 206. This happens because many bones they fuse together during growth. 20 feet is the length of the small intestine. Can you just imagine? In your stomach is an organ that is you can say thrice your height or twice your height. Then 60,000 miles is the length of blood vessels, and your body stores 1.3 gallons of volume of blood. So thanks for watching. This was all for today. Hope you learned much and something new. So subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment down below if you have any questions, and tell us how the video was. And please share the video for everyone to have general information that is really interesting. Thank you.